Overlay panels elevate the visual appeal of an outdoor kitchen by concealing appliances, resulting in a more balanced design. Before you begin, make sure all outdoor kitchen cabinets are installed and the project is level, square, and plumb. Lay out a foam or cloth material to protect the surface of the overlay panel. Then, carefully put the overlay panel face down onto the material. Place the outer side of the refrigerator door face down on top of the overlay panel. Remove the gasket to expose the drilling locations. Then, line up the edges so that the overlay panel and refrigerator door are square and flush. Fasten the C-clamps to the overlay panel and door to prevent it from moving while drilling occurs. Drill the holes through the refrigerator door. Center a hole punch tool in each hole, then tap it into the overlay panel to make an indentation. Drill a hole in each indentation of the overlay panel. Add screws to the holes and tighten them so that the door and panel are secure. Remove the C-clamps and reinsert the gasket back into the door. With the refrigerator lying on its back, place the door assembly on top of the refrigerator and line it up with the top hinge pin until it's connected. Remove the screws from the bottom of the door assembly. Then, line up the bottom of the door assembly with the bottom hinge. Insert the screws you removed through the bottom hinge and tighten them into the door. Then, put the refrigerator back in its final position. Once the overlay panel is installed, it blends seamlessly with the surrounding cabinetry.